Okay guys, we're here at Michelle's property. It all boils down to the basics in the operation of the steel sliding gate as well as the gate motor. So what we've seen here is that the gate is basically bumping on the support bracket. Well, this support bracket is loose, there you can see it. I'm just going to quickly open the gate and you can see what happens. So the gate will can see this as an obstruction, and then it will malfunction. So what we're going to do here, we're just going to quickly weld in a piece of flat bar so that there's no bumping of the gate into the steel post, and Michelle won't have the problem again. So there's the jumping. If you now look at it, just wanted to add it, that the gate is basically leaning past the steel post. So if I now close the gate, there's another bump. Just going to bring it open. So these are the basic principles that we look at before we just say, yeah, we need to replace it. Stay tuned. So we've welded the steel bracket, the support bracket for the outside fence, that's been welded. And then if you see in the background there, the grey flat bar. So what you basically now will have is you won't have a jamming effect, but rather a smoothing. So we don't need to put it further to the left, we don't need to put it further to the right. So let me quickly bring it. There it comes in view. Just going to follow it. So there, no jamming, no bumping, nothing, smooth running. Right, done with the repairs. Gate motor is running as smooth as butter. We also replaced the gate motor cover with a new one. Your problem here is if you do not replace it and water does seep into the gate motor, the controller card will break, and normal rain does not break a cover like that. So your assessor is just going to reject your claim. So yeah, there it is. These are the guys that you need to contact. Pottie 083 778 2288 in Gauteng. Watch out for smartgates.co.za. New website with all of the new technology and all of the stuff we're doing there. Lekker guys, thanks for watching.